Good afternoon, Maguire's family. My name is Mason Stamen, and today I'm going to be introducing this 2019 Shelby GT350. This Shelby is rocking only 3,300 miles, and in this blue color is one of the rarest and low mileage examples on the East Coast. Moving on to the interior, you can see this one is equipped with the carbon fiber package. Massive screen in the middle, oil and oil temp. There you have your little GT350 badge. Down here, you have your engine start-stop, traction control. There are your exhaust valves, heated and cooled seats, navigation, backup camera. There's your tachometer, speedometer, two cup holders in the middle. Try and give you a peek at the back seats. Definitely a snug, but they are back there. Moving on to the rear, you can see that beautiful yellow Shelby emblem. Contrasts really well with the blue. All right, yet again, everybody, this is a 2019 Shelby GT350, and it is available for sale today at Maguire's Ford and Lincoln in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. Stop by today and ask for Mason Stamen. Thank you so much, guys.